Well, this is unfortunate. Every time Alibaba has a 5% day, the next day it gives it back plus more. That's just how it's been for the last month or so. Alibaba cannot have 2 consecutive green days. We see that it closed at 122.98 and now it's down to 118. This stock is just going to struggle, and it's just so unfortunate for Alibaba investors like myself. But let's take a look at the news. China regulators suspend Alibaba Cloud partnership. CLSA remains bullish on Alibaba. Alibaba Cloud allegedly failed to promptly report vulnerabilities in the popular open source logging framework to China's telecommunications regulator, as per 21st Century Business Herald, citing the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology. As a result, the MIIT suspended a cooperative partnership with the cloud unit regarding cybersecurity threats and information sharing platforms to be reassessed in 6 months and revived depending on the company's internal reforms. China had already ordered state-owned companies to migrate their data from private operators like Alibaba and Tencent to a state-backed cloud system by 2022. Alibaba Cloud recently discovered a remote code execution vulnerability in the Apache components, notifying the US-based Apache Software Foundation. MIIT received a report from a third party about the issue rather than from Alibaba Cloud. Wow, it looks like it's heading down lower and the market hasn't even opened yet. I wonder if Alibaba would have been suspended for less months if Alibaba actually reported the vulnerability themselves instead of having a third party to. I don't know what to say about Alibaba anymore. I was bullish, and just all this news, all this negative news that comes out from China, they just have so much control that what do we do? Like, how does Alibaba even head back to 200? Like, what will it take for Alibaba to? I had hopes that maybe it could eventually go back to 200. But now, after all this news, all these fines, all these suspensions, I don't know if it could ever go back. I hope I'm wrong, because I'm down quite a bit, and I know a lot of people are down. We have not seen this price, $118, since 2017. 2017 was the last time it was traded at this price. Almost every Chinese stock is at either 52 weeks lows or all-time lows. It's very sad. But all we can do right now is either hedge our position in case there's more downside. And you can hedge your position by buying puts, or you can buy some put debit spread if the puts are too costly. So we'll take a look at these 100 puts. Oh, these 100 puts were actually very cheap yesterday. They were $177. And that's just because January is approaching. So we want to go further out, so maybe in March. Let's see. March puts are $500. But if you buy a put debit spread, which will consist of 2 legs, let's see how much it will be. So we're going to buy the 105 and sell the 100. So instead of paying $500, we're going to pay $120 and able to receive a max profits of $380. I know it's not much, but if this stock continues to go down, at least you'll have some sort of protection there. And I would highly suggest staying away from short-term call option unless you're day trading, because it's very hard to swing trade Alibaba if you're bullish. I guess I'm just gonna have to keep waiting until some good news actually comes out of Alibaba. Nothing we can do but hold on to our shares and try to hedge in case of a downside move.